Well, sitting next to me is three-time 250 champion, of course, Zach Osborne. Zach, welcome to MXTV.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure.
Zach, first up, the shoulder. What did you actually do to it?
I tore my labrum and my subscapularis tendon in my shoulder at the Lakewood round of the AMA Nationals. So I'm looking at about a 3-month recovery to get everything back to where it should be. I had surgery 2 weeks ago, and hopefully start riding in the middle or end of September and start with the 450 and new adventure.
Now, what went through your mind when you had the accident? Because obviously Joey just come barreling through.
Yeah, I mean, it was a bit of mixed emotions. I mean, my shoulder came out of socket, so it was one of those deals I knew I needed to get up and do what I could to soldier through it and try to get some points. But at the same time, I was a little bit bummed, to be starting so far back and everything. And obviously at that very moment, I didn't really know the severity of the injury, so I was just trying to claw back what I could.
Now, how hard is it to win a second Supercross championship? I know a first one would be hard, but they tell me the second's harder. What's in your thoughts?
Yeah, the second one for me was a little easier. I don't think it gets much more harder, intense than the first one. So the second one was definitely easier and made even easier by winning the outdoor title. It just kind of gave me some accomplishments to build some confidence from and so on and so forth. So I enjoyed the second one, yeah, for sure. I mean, they're all super special, but if I had to kind of rate one, the first one was just unbelievable in terms of drama and just the way it happened.
You've got to this age now. Do you still think that, some people get to 30 and they're burnt out? What about yourself?
Yeah, I'm definitely not burnt out. I enjoy what I do. I love to ride. I love the work side of it, and I mean, as long as I have health, I feel like I can race for a long time. Not just in motocross and supercross, but hopefully, I enjoy enduro and that sort of thing as well. So, I don't want to stop anytime soon. I like what I do, and I mean, I can totally understand how you can get burnt out. The travel is tough. Just the obligations and. Everybody wants a little piece of your time, and that's tough. But at the same sense, I enjoy it, and I know kind of the honor it is to be in this position, and I try to embrace it, every day.
If you had one part, you get works bikes. There's one part that you could keep on your bike, only one. What would you take with you to the next bike?
So I run this handlebar setup that's actually smaller diameter on the ends. It's almost like a kid's bar because I have super small hands, and that's like essential to my riding. I switched to that about 3 years ago. Pro Taper made a special bar that like steps down at the grips, and it's a huge thing for me. So that's probably my biggest thing is my bars, but it's not just a set of bars. They're pretty custom to me. Yeah,
that's an interesting fact. I didn't know anything about that.
Not many people know about it because, like I said, it steps down at the grip, so the grip slides all the way up to the step. So you can't really tell unless you know what you're looking for. But if you put your hand around it, it's a huge difference.
Wow, that's amazing. Thank you very much, Zach, for your time, mate. Unbelievable.